Hi boys, what's good? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a hot minute since I uploaded anything. I've just been working non-stop and yeah, I thought I'd start picking up the camera again. I mean, it's that time of the year here in Australia. It's springtime, it's summer, it's starting to get motivating to do things. So yeah, I thought I'd pick up the camera, start posting on YouTube a bit more, and yeah, just start doing some like vlogs, some day in the life stuff, you know, just whatever happens, whatever I do, I'll just pick up the camera and start filming. Sorry, right now in this video, I'm feeling really sick, so I got a couple of days off, so I guess I thought I might as well take the opportunity. But anyway, today, I'm just going to start by cleaning the car. I'm going to clean the inside. The outside's not too bad. Filthy in there, like genuinely disgusting. You'll have a look at it in a minute. And then, yeah, we'll see what happens for the rest of the day, but let's get stuck into the car. Also, big sorry about the audio quality. I've had these for a long time now, and I lost the top bit of it. Quality's a little bit rubbish, a bit shitty audio-wise, but anyway, I'll get you around and show you the inside of the car. So this is the passenger seat, and yeah, look, it is just disgusting. Look, oh mate, I'm actually gonna throw up just looking at this. And I work on a farm, and I always come back after work just absolutely fucking disgusting and filthy. And I work like, you know, 8-9 hour days, which I know, you know, a lot of people also do, but you know, no excuse. But still, I can just never be bothered just coming back and cleaning the car. Like, let's just, like, the driver's side is even worse. That's actually f***ed. This is going to be like almost like a full restoration I'm going to have to do. I gotta get this looking so much better than that. Right? I mean, anything could be better than that. Even a quick vacuum could just make a whole lot of the difference. But yeah, so I thought I'd just take the opportunity to film it. You know, find something to do. So yeah, let's get stuck into it. Alright, I kind of have to get it out the way because we've got a lot of trucks coming in and out of the property right now, so I can't really block their way. Usually I'd park it like somewhere in the middle here, but over there will do for now. Let's get stuck into it. First things first, we're gonna start by getting all this fucking rubbish out because, mate, I'm actually not even proud to show you this. We got this, we got that, and my god, oh yeah, no, this is, oh mate, clothes, rubbish. Oh, nah, I'm just gonna have to set my camera up outside. That's all the clothes. Oh, that's actually not as much as I thought, to be honest, but still bad. Let's put this stuff away. Now time for the rubbish. This is the bad part. Oh, still some more clothes in here. Damn. Oh, and a hat. Oh my god. Fuck. There's got a truck coming down now. That's a big old truck. Alright, got our extension leads. I'm gonna get this ready for vacuuming. We're gonna get back in there and start picking up all of our rubbish still. Still so much in there. But yeah, I just had to let that truck go through. Just look at this shit, bro. And you've got to be kidding me. Alright boys, well, so much for the microphone. My phone was sitting up on something, like leaning up against it, and it fell, broke the chip. Now my microphone can't be connected, so we've got no more microphone for the rest of the video. Anyway, we got most of our stuff out. There's just a little bit still in there. Most of it's nearly out, and then we can get to vacuuming, so that'll be exciting. All right, here's my invention of all connected. I couldn't find one that was long enough to just go the full distance, so I had to get multiple and just start connecting them all up to each other to be able to get to the car. I mean, to be honest, the vacuum cleaner's lead might just go all the way, but then it might be uncomfortable. So we're inventing over here. Pick up this bad boy. Oh, look at all that shit there. I've got to put that all back in my car. I've got so much stuff from when I was detailing. I haven't detailed in a long time because I've been focused on other work. But yeah, if you want to detail, hit me up, Melbourne, Victoria area, FMA detailing. I'll post a link in the description. So before I start vacuuming, yeah, we're gonna take this mat out. Okay, I'm not sure why I've got an Allen key in here, but yeah, anyway. we got the passenger side vacuumed down pretty decently. It's not perfect, but it'll do. Yeah, I don't know how well you can see it. It's quite sunny in here, but yeah, the shadows aren't making it easy. But yeah, look, it's a lot cleaner than what it was before. So yeah, I just gotta go vacuum the mat now that I took out earlier, and then get that cleaned, and then chuck it back in, and then this side should be fine. Then afterwards I'll start spraying some chemicals, start getting the surfaces all clean. Yes, I am just doing this on the bins. Don't judge me. Alright, beautiful. Got this nice and black. Let's chuck it back in the car. Let's take the charger out of there. Alright, I can't really see shit on the camera right now, but I hope you guys can. Alright, that is a lot better. A lot cleaner. Alright, now we're going to go over to the driver's side. We'll get all the driver's side done. Should be all good to go after that. So yeah, let's get to it. Yeah, this side is absolutely cooked. I can only sit here and like laugh at like how bad I let this get. Wow. Yeah, honestly boys, I'm gonna have to pull out the extractor for this one. This it's pretty dirty on this side. I heavily underestimated it. I vacuumed most of it up, but there is a lot of stains there. So I might have to get the extractor out and actually get it out of the carpet. This stuff I don't care about because I'll just spray that with some sort of surface like detergent. But yeah, the carpets, the seat it couldn't be in any worse condition, I can tell you right now. All right, boys, here's the bad boy. We're gonna use this thing to get some of the stains on all the carpet surfaces on this side. I don't think I'm gonna do it on the other side. The other side's fine, but driver's side is cooked. So yeah, we're gonna have to start getting some of those stains out. All right, that's a lot better. Some of the stains. All right, I lost track of what I was saying. My phone said it was out of storage. Anyway, yeah, we got this side. Pretty much all the stains are out. So yeah, we're just gonna get to wiping down the surfaces. I might give it a quick like last second vacuum. But yeah, we're gonna get to the surfaces now. So let's get to it. All right, over to the box of goodies. I'm gonna show you what you're gonna need. I mean, honestly, it's pretty self-explanatory. You basically just need like a decent multi-purpose interior cleaner. So we're gonna grab our interior brush. Looks like a makeup brush. We're gonna grab a couple of microfiber towels. This from Chemical Guys. I'm not like, I don't really buy Chemical Guys that much, but this, I don't know what it is, but it just, mate, it is so good. It gets every stain out. It's got great foaming, and it spreads really easily, and it's odorless as well. So I also use this Maguire's interior detailer, although I'm pretty much out of it, so I haven't really got anything left of it. Sometimes I use this leather turtle wax cleaner, but you know, I haven't really got any leather in the car. It's from Clean as Fuck. It's called an Ultra Interior Shine. It's like a protectant. So you kind of spray it on after you spray all your surfaces down. You just kind of give this a bit of a wipe to give everything a bit of a shine. So we'll use this. Those are the three we're going to be using, plus a few microfiber towels, plus this. Let's get stuck into it. God, I don't know how many times I've said let's get stuck into it today. It's actually too repetitive. I need to shut the fuck up. All right, we're going to start with the Chemical Guys. We're going to just spray it. Get it nice on. Now, let's get the brush. See how good it is at foaming? It's just so good. Yeah, it's perfect. Then we give it a quick wipe down. And that surface is clean as it can get. Obviously I could have given in here a little bit better of a vacuum, but look, I don't really give a shit too much. All right, we got along here, pretty much mostly clean. Let's get everything else done. All right, we got the driver's side finished. Let's get on to the passenger side, which isn't that much, so it shouldn't take too long. Yeah, it's only really stuff like this and just on there and just down there, but it's not too much, so it's easy to handle. So time to get the passenger side. All right, I've rambled enough, let's get to it. I've said let's get to it again. Fucking hell, I need to shut up. I'll quickly put up on the screen the befores and the afters, and make a judgment of what you reckon I could have done better. I mean, look, at the end of the day, it wasn't really a detail, it was more of just a quick wipe down, quick clean, quick vacuum. All right, so now that we're done with that, we're gonna put everything away. We're gonna head inside and we're gonna clean my room because I've got somebody coming over to take photos of it, apparently for a movie to be filmed. So we're gonna make sure it's looking nice and clean and ready for a photographer. So yeah, let's get to it. Again with the fucking get to it. Let's just not get to it. Fucking hell.
Wait a second. Long dick. Aren't you a member of the yacht club?
Yeah, she get to dropping like some dead flies. Baby girl just to kill, she so dead fly. You be on top of your shit, you so dead fly. If anybody tell you different, they a damn lie. Asking why they lying, on the gram spine. Never fuck with you, now they got some time for you. Since you came up, they got you down for you. Let me be the first one to say I'm proud. Get your money, girl. Get your money.
That's the last thing I thought I would see today is my dad fucking flying up the driveway on a motorbike. Alright lads, I guess that'll do it for this video. I will put in a lot of clips from what I've done this year. It's kind of like one big video. I've been recording a lot of YouTube stuff, but it never made like a full video. So I'll try and just like put it all together. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. It's been a bit of a different year this year. I haven't really focused too much on social media, but next year I am hoping that we can go crazy in social media in general. I'm hoping to go crazy on YouTube, really grind hard and yeah, bang out a few good videos. So yeah, today was just a sort of a starting point. I didn't really know what to do, so I thought I'd just clean the car, you know, because I needed to clean it, pick up the camera, get it started and see where it goes. I'll have some things lined up, some, you know, more interesting, fun things. One of my mates is currently trying to build his BMW E36, so maybe we can start doing a few videos on that. But yeah, look, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.